It's getting late. I'm making my way over to my favorite place. I got it. Come on, Raymond! Looking for Raymond. Hoy, come on!
Okay, let's go guys. Let's open the package. Uy, sakto.
Unsa man
Yay!
ni mga tawahan ng galuya.
Cheers!
Mga gwapo ning
Hamal.
diferensya sa kimig kamag na.
Kamot pa more. Kinamot na. Ibugwan yung kang bana ni Insang. Lamig gwapo. Mo ni gwapo?
Diferensya na gamay.
Hello everyone, it's me, Susie Kelly, the hot mama. So guys, for today's video, it's our reunion day with my classmates, batch 2009-2010. I'm so excited to meet my classmate, of course. We look for lechon, a pig yesterday, and I'm so proud of myself. I got lechon. Look, there you go, guys. So this is 37 kilos, so I paid for 7,400. Guys, I am really wise when it comes to finding a cheaper, pig. You know me, guys, I'm very, very wise. Yeah, the one that I asked before, it costs like 220 pesos per kilo, and I went to the mountain, I got this one. Look, guys, look, let's go. Look at that, guys. Oh my God, finally, lechon. Yeah. Lechon here in the Philippines, it's very typical. Especially reunion, fiesta. By the way, our fiesta is coming, but I'm not gonna celebrate the fiesta. What I mean is, I don't have a lot of visitors, so also it's very expensive to do fiesta, guys. So for me, I prefer to just celebrate with my classmates, and it's more fun. So yeah, that's Ayoy. Hi, Ayoy. So yeah, I hired him to cook the lechon. It cost 1,000 pesos when you ask them to cook, so that's cheaper compared to the other, mang lechonay. Other guy, they ask for 1,300 pesos. It really depends on the pig also, but since that I know this guy, he just gave me only 1,000 pesos. So yeah, better to find pig and then hired a guy to cook the lechon, guys. It's a brilliant idea, right? Comment down below, guys, if you agree with me. Actually, I already booked a resort for us. It's exclusive for our reunion today, guys. We also rent a video cam. It's gonna be fun today, guys. It's our day today with my classmate. Hey guys, so now we are going to cook this one. Yeah, grilled. I bought this for 735, I think. So the kilo of this fish, it's 350 pesos. So yeah, I just only got a half of it because they already cut it. Easy to cook also, guys. So all we have to do in this is we have to put salt. Yeah, like that. Look, yeah, you know what? We supposed to cook this in the resort, but you know what? Since that we have fire here, like it's already, ready. Well, that's best way to do. So I'm gonna put some salt, but side by side, guys. By the way, I already washed my hands. Okay, just letting you know. And also the lechon is already cooked. Look at that. Yay! All right, let's go. Yeah. But yeah, so this is already ready. I'm gonna put the pepper just for the taste. Okay, both sides. Oh my God, it's very big, guys. Lechon, guys. Look at that.
Crispy lechon.
Yeah, it is. Look at that. All right, we're going to remove. Yeah, I'll hold it here.
Nayari ka?
It's gonna fall. So yeah.
Oops.
Okay.
Murag ng anak.
Smells good, guys. Oh my God. Yeah, we will wrap this with Manila paper. That, guys. Oh my God, it's so hot. Woo! Hello, everyone. Finally, we are here now at our venue, guys. So here's my classmates. Say hi. Hi. Hoy, dili mo say hi? Hi, hello. Tawaragod mga kiat na mga agi, mga gwapo. Hey. Okay, asa ba na? Kisay attorney dire? Attorney dagat. Siman loloko. The one organizing this stuff. Because if without me, guys, this reunion is not gonna be, you know, good for sure. Because they're struggling about the venue, blah blah blah, and everything. But yeah, you know me, guys. I really want to solve problems, so I'm so proud of myself. So yeah, but yeah, we're starving. They're so noisy. They're like, we will get our other classmates. They don't have motorbike or vehicles, you know. So yeah, I'm really surprised that they were here. Mostly boys. Hi.
Welcome to my vlog.
Yeah, we have video, okay, guys. Of course, video, okay. Yeah, we only have, you know, the lechon and rice, of course. Just simple, guys. You know, the important thing here is at least we meet each other. You know, it's been a while we don't meet each other, guys. Like, I don't know, many years. They're so noisy here. Filipinos are like this, guys. Even if I tell them like, hey, quiet, quiet. But look, they're starting drinking alcohol here. Hoy, mura lagi mong mga gulon siyang mga paknoy. Yate. Sponsored, kasi just sponsored, ane. Hey! Sponsored by... Hey! Quincy! Say hi! Hala, mga palahubog kay mga naong lang tawag ko ni mga naong nga, oh, mga palaigit, di kayo wajin mo usab. Latan si Jomar, nagpanglipong-lipong na si Jomar. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's open the package. Ano yung sakto? Asa ka dyan mo? Yay!
Unsa man ni mga tawahan ng galuyaman.
Yaka mo, ako may mga kuwan lang.
Kuhanin ko na ni. Sabi ni Rolly, bulot.
Atak!
Kasama kita sa imong mama sa budol lang tani. Bigyan paon.
Yeah, panginaw ko, no. Panginaw ko. No plate, guys. But I bring my own plate. Wala may paper plate to sila, di ba? Oo na.
Ito mga panghitabo karon.
Well, oh, you have to speak English kaya mga viewers, mga foreigner.
Ano ka papunta na ba?
Don't English me I'm not school.
Disyoto tagabok ko, pagyabot tagabot, disyoto kabok ka
Pila
classmate.
na bo? Pila na tanan di ay. Pila na tanan ng
First dito.
dito sa section. Guys, we are the blue section, but we are the best section.
Very nice return.
Ikaw na, oh.
Dito?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
May returnan si Quincy. Hindi mo tagaan ba ni?
Hindi mo wala ka, hindi na makulot. Gutom na kayo. Oy, nice sauce dire, oh.
Ay kan parang kita. Ka ano kita niya?
Hindi na, solid yun na. Lamit ka na muna, bro. Hindi nga. So, wala ko niya bukid. Nga hatanin ka na. Oh!
Di ba sila kakuan? Ito kanina ka?
Hindi ito ko bukid.
Ako naman sa titip tigano ng
Naka-resto. Hala ka, di ka mo lumang-lung. Jesus, ang Mario Step! Guys, they don't know how to cook rice. It's still not cooked. No.
Wala ka istorya.
Hindi mo mukha na ng kilid, oh. Kulang tubig! Ihapik!
Dagan na may tubig ko, nalata.
Dili biya.
Lantawa o, lantawa o. Tiraray na, tiraray na!
Ang ilaw ka wala.
Ilaw!
Ay, matamyo. Ngano matingan?
Unahan ko yung si Kuya.
Kanila kasi
Wala lang ako, magpalit, Quincy. Wala palit, tingkot na nila.
tumbos.
Kaya yung bangko na yung boss. Maligasa ko.
Bart, ay sino yung mabart?
Hello. This song is by Lorraine Erica Sarabia. Thank you. Hello. Wow.
It's getting late. I'm making my way over to my favorite place. I gotta get my body into the shake the stress away. I wasn't looking for the bottle when you looked my way. But several candidate, yeah, who knew? That should be a you're looking at me too. You make me feel all of this possible. Baby, I must say your art is incredible. If you didn't have to go, don't let's take you away. Let us step into the music. DJ, let it play. I just can't refuse it. Like the way you do this. Keep it walking to it. This is something, this is something, this is something. Say, come on, right back. Looking right now. Hoy, come on. Is this something like Shukira de Raikanoy.
Questions we got. Anyway, guys, this is my cousin. This is my cousin. I, and this is my brother. Yeah, this is my brother and cousin. Yeah, I invite them because we're just few here.
Hi guys.
Hey, hi guys. Tagay. Tagay, we have Bondador and tequila. Yes, I drink tequila. Yeah, the kids are here, guys. Look. Yeah, I bring with the kids because nobody's gonna taking care of them because the nana is not around. But she's coming later. Yes, Diana, say hello.
Hello guys.
Yeah, that's also the daughter of my classmate.
Dylan.
Soren is there. Soren, you're in the sun. Oops.
Come on, classmates! Manalo to talong, come on! I made it through the wilderness. Somehow I made it through. Didn't know how the last night was until I found you. Yeah! I was sweet and complete. I'll be
wants to go home now, but I tell her like, hey, this is once in a lifetime, you know? And we only 6 girls, guys, you know? Ay, huli, anak-anak makanya tayo. Gana-anak, sana uli, gana-anak. Kasi sikrito, magana-anak. Hello? Cheers!
Parang chika ka, tapos parang inom.
Yate, nawabiya mo.
Parang chika ka, tapos parang inom.
Kami na lang, hindi na bilhin lang taka. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 18 out of 10. 18. Ulo ka ba nang uli? Tagay.
Bayot ba, bayot?
Salan. Nalagi Tagalog diri. Taga-asa na siya?
Bisa yun.
Ano ba yarn? Pinaghihirapan ako sa kalisod. Ano ba yarn?
Pasensya na, Tagalog ako minsan sa Manila kasi ako nagdako. Lagi to. Ay, yung Tagalog eh.
Wala. Kaya ngayon, sabi ko sa inyo, balang araw, next year, 1 year from now,
Dada.
baka doon tayo magano,
Ang
yung ano natin.
Isit niyo na, isit niyo na.
kamatay isit. Isit niya na. Ang sa isit niyang video yan. Tagay na. Oh.
Hindi na ang balik sa barko.
Oh.
Kamatay rin.
Bibigyan ng ano.
Bunga sa pundador na yarn.
Hindi, kung may grosya, bakit hindi?
Wala, naghihirapan ako sa kalisod dito eh.
Kapiliyon ka. Diha,
Oo, dado. Kana ako. Bisaya na ron. Kasabot na ko
Daw
araw.
po sweldo, no?
Dili ko daw sweldo.
Hindi po, daw po sweldo, no?
Ang kumbagang akong kwan ba, profesyon ng akong
Oo,
kwan.
iskulahan ba? Iskulahan, no?
Correct. Sakto ginagawa.
Pero di na, kung sa barko, hanang ginawa.
Oh, hani ko sa kong beach.
Ha?
Sa akong beach daw, no? Sa akong beach daw.
Nagkit siya akong beach. Jadi siya ka. Wala siya kasagay sa akong beach.
Ako masakit. International ra. Si Ariago, istorya na ako.
Hamal.
Diferensya sa gimigamag na.
Kamot pa more. Kinamot na. Idis.
Gwapo.
Ay mga gwapo. Ako rin ginabili nga baye. The flower. The only one, the girl in the group. This is what we do, guys, here in the Philippines. We just use our hand and we don't need a spoon and fork. So this is our style.
Tugpa na.
Alam mo, init oh.
Babay.
Wala ba hilaw no?
Nakakay.
Ano
Itsura
Ano
gamay.
ba niya?
Sukwinsi ba?
Ngaluto. Ako. Unsa ngaluto? Unsa nga kanon ba? Kamya. Okay. Kamya is kamuyin lang.
Matay, di ko muli ang tigid mo mga uli ko.
Muna akong ganahan ni Quincy. Di gini magamang tapok o walay kuan.
14 years na hindi natin nakita. Parang ano na.
Kaya pag uwi ko lang si Kihor, Tagalog na ako eh.
Tagalig. Magtatagalig na tayo nito eh.
Pasensya na kung Tagalog ako minsan. Kanina kasi ako nagdako. Pero iba na yung ano niya pang ano na tala Cebu.
Yati ra gina bibunda ka sa Ruli maron si Ruli. Di.
Adi ko, kasi do Jijo. Abaton nila katumbana insang.
Gibangubogwan yung kang bana ni Insang. Lami gwapo mo ni gwapo.
Diferensya na gamay.
Dili, adara sala rin oh. Mo ni sala. Yatot sige. Nang dahil kay Kevin, ko nga, kung sabi gi-picture, gisenda ko nga picture nga nagtapat sila ko, di ko ka remember. Kamatay pag check na ako kay siya di gasend. Yeah, kisa man ni. Kisa na. Kamatay si Brickley man dai wala babae. Look at the baboy.
Nangabugot ang bana kasi
Abogo pa more.
insang may agol.
Oh, sino? Wa mo. Namonge na.
Ako manging gwapo. Talo apo. Guwapo ma.